Together with 9 European RTO partners, we demonstrate here in Brussels how applied research secures and improves the innovative power of entire national economies and the leading role played by European industry.
It's important for me to be here as TomTom because we're here in the center of Europe and we're here with all the major and leading European research and technology organizations. We track every day in the direction of 1 billion devices. Berlin has 20,000 kilometers of road. Every 15 minutes we remap Berlin. We innovate, we create products that people use, we create jobs, and that's important. It's important for us to have that conversation with the RTOs and to learn from each other.
I found it super interesting. First, the variety of the topics and then the depth of the discussions about innovation, about RTO and our big European institutes of technology and research.
New megatrends such as artificial intelligence and bioeconomy and more broadly the circular economy have the potential to drastically transform our economies. Research and innovation are key to face old and new challenges.
My message is that we have a lot of capacity unutilized both in assets and infrastructure. So even if we expect an increase in demand between here and 2050, we need to meet the climate change challenge. There is plenty of space in reorganization of what we already have that will pave the way for the extra investment in technology we'll need to do to reach zero carbon footprint.
We need to really support and finance deep tech companies in Europe. This is the next wave of deep tech. The deep tech revolution is where Europe has a lot of competitive advantages. But if we don't do our work in financing these companies, we will lose them.
So that will be the first EIF-backed tech transfer fund, and that's a new opportunity to finance deep tech startups at Fraunhofer with the first capital ticket of around 250k up to 5 million. So I think that will bring a huge advantage.
I think a couple of lessons that we can also provide some of the discussion here is the need to look at final applications, the need to look at end use, the need to look at customers, and above all, and I think this is a common challenge, especially for smaller companies, SMEs, that the need to build capacity to manage technology and to be able to scale up that technology for a commercial application.
We saw that there's a clear need to showcase what we are doing, how strong Europe can be and still already is. So it was the right timing, looking ahead towards the next framework program, make sure that we do the right things.